Hello, my fellows Libras. Today, April 23rd, 2026, marks a significant shift in the atmospheric energy as the moon leaves the more internal, perhaps slightly more sensitive waters of the previous days and enter the blood fairy territory of Leo. This is a day where your natural charm meets a new sense of courage. Before we dive into what this standards mean for your social circles, your career, and your heart, I want to remind you that while the general forecast offer a great roadmap, your personal journey is entirely unique. If you have been feeling like you need more specific clarity, whether that is through a deep dive into your birth chart, a look at your love compatibility, or a detailed breakdown of your yearly and monthly outlook, I am here to help you. You can connect with us directly for personalized question based guidance through the WhatsApp link right down in the description. It is a wonderful way to move beyond the general and really look at how these planetary movements are triggering your specific degrees and houses. Let's start it. As we look at today's alignment, the moon's entered into Leo activities, your 11th house of networks, long-term goals, and social communities. For a Libra, this is a very comfortable territory, but with the Leo influences, there is a distinct glow up happening in your public life. The 11th house is where we find our tribe, and when the moon shines here in a sign as expressive as Leo, you are not just looking to fit into the group, you are looking to be a sources of warmth within it. You may find that people are gravitating toward you more than usual today. There is a magnetic quality of your presence that makes others want to include you in their plans or seek your opinion on collective projects. In your professional life and career, this transit translates directly into visibility. If you have been working quietly behind the scenes, today is the day the curtain pulls back. Based on this lunar movement, your ability to take a leadership role within group environment is at an all-time high. You are not leading through force or authority today. You are leading through inspiration. Your communication advantage is sharp, making it an ideal time to present ideas to a team or to pitch a project to a wider audience. People are more likely to buy into you as much as they are buying into your ideas. However, because Leo energy can sometimes lean toward the dramatic, there is a subtle caution here regarding ego. While you should absolutely take credit for your work, be mindful of over dominance in a group setting. Your greatest strength towards making others feel seen while you lead the way. Networking is your primary currency. Right now, if you have been trying to solve a problem through isolated efforts, stop. The answer you are looking for likely sits within sometimes else's expertise. Reach out, send the email, or make that connection. The breakthrough you need is a social one. Moving into the rear of love and relationship, the emotional focus shifts toward excitement and shared expressions. For those of you in a relationship today, is not about sitting on the couch and scrolling through your phones. The Leo moon demands a bit of funfair. You might feel a stronger than usual desire for appreciation and validation from your partner. You want to feel like you are a priority, and there is a deep need for fun. Plan something that allow you both to be expressive, perhaps a social gathering or an event where you can dress up and feel your best. The danger here, if you are not conscious of it, is falling into attention-seeking patterns. If you feel ignored, try to ask for the affection you need directly rather than creating taste or drama to get a reaction. Yes, Libra zodiac signs. For the single Libras out there, this is a fantastic energy for meeting someone new, particularly through your social circles or community events. You are likely to be attracted to bold, confident personalities today, people who are not afraid to stand out because the 11th house is involved. A friendship could unexpectedly take a turn towards something more romantic, or a friend might introduce you to someone who truly captures your interest. The key today is to be seen. Don't hide your light. The more authentic and big you allow your personality to be, the more you will attract someone who resonated with your true self. When we look at your finances, the energy is relatively stable, but it's heavily influenced by your social life. You might find that financial opportunities come through referrals or casual conversation with acquaintance. It is a day where who you know, truly impacts your bottom line. However, the Leo influences can sometimes trigger a desire for luxury or status spending. You might feel a certain urge to buy something expensive to boost your confidence or to make an impression at a social event. So go with it. While there is nothing wrong with treating yourself, try to avoid emotional spending. Before you hit purchase, ask yourself if you are buying the item because you truly value it or because you want the temporary high of being noticed. So just take it out. Keep your focus on a long-term financial goals. This is a great day to brainstorm how your social network can help you build future security rather than just focusing on immediate gratification. Yes, notice it. In terms of your health and energy levels, you can expect a noticeable boost today. Fire sign energy is naturally revitalizing. For an air sign like Libra, you will likely feel more socially driven and extroverted. Interestingly, your emotionally well-being is highly treated to the people you surround yourself with today. If you are around positive, uplifting individuals, your energy will soar. If you are around vampires or those who